Hi guys, so today I'm going to be showing you my phone and the apps I use to edit my photos and my thumbnails and things. So first things first is I've actually got a video on my channel about the iPhone X. Now I haven't exactly updated you guys, but I've actually returned that phone because a few reasons being I don't like the fact there's no button, and I'm just much more happier with this phone because I've always had a Plus and I feel like I can do my work on here a lot better. So if you want a video on you know, the reasons why I returned it, let me know down below and I'll definitely do that. Okay, so this is the iPhone 7 Plus. It's the 32 gig version and it's actually in jet black. I've just got I'll just show you the back of the phone just so you can see without the case. So yes, this is the iPhone 7 Plus 32 gig and it's just the jet black colour. So the case I've got is just an Apple silicone black case, and I like these cases because they just feel amazing to hold, and I'm not sure, I just love the cases. So first things first, I'm just going to unlock my phone. And the fact is as well, on the iPhone X you have to show your face. It's a Face ID recognition, so you can't exactly press a button down here and it will open straight away. So I'm just not feeling it. Maybe I will at some point. So let's get this focused. Okay, so first things first is I've just got my mail app. I've got the App Store, weather, calendar. I've just got pretty much it set out as a normal iPhone. And I've got my beautiful baby girl in the background, my Nala, if you can see. You can see, there she is. So I've just got my phone, Safari, messages and Apple Music. Okay, so first things first, I've actually got Shazam. Now this app is really cool because it picks up a song that you're listening to and it will tell you what it is. So if you're in a shop and you hear a song and you're like, oh, I really like that song, I want to use it on my channel or something, you just click that app, press the, I'll show you, tap to Shazam and it will find the song and then it will pop up and tell you what it is. Now that app is just amazing. Next, I've got my shopping app. So I've got eBay, which I use a lot. I've got Amazon, which I do use a lot. Gumtree also, Groupon, Depop. Now, if you aren't following me on Depop, you've seriously got to follow me on here, Depop. This is amazing. This app is basically where you buy things from other people and you sell things. So guys, go and follow me. My name on here is at Melissa1995 and I've sold quite a few things on here. I've sold a bag today and I've also sold quite another few things. So at the moment I've just got some phone cases and pretty much just phone cases. I've got some tanner and I've got some shampoo and cushions, and I've just got loads of little things. You can put anything on here really, and this is another case that I've just recently sold, which is the silicone case as well. So definitely go and follow me on there, guys. Next is Vinted. Now this app I've used for so long now and I absolutely adore this app. This is just like Depop where you buy things off people and you sell things and you can actually mail people as well. So if you're not following me already, go and follow me, MelissaJane19, and I've got quite a few things on there as well. Next is Spock, which I haven't actually set up and used, but I've heard it's quite good. And then I've got Foot Asylum, Argos, New Look, Rightmove and JD. Next is just my personal stuff, my finance, food and drink. Then another important app of mine is YouTube app. So obviously I've got the YouTube app itself, then I've got YouTube Studio. Now this app, if you haven't got it already and if you've got a YouTube channel, you definitely have to get this app. This is highly recommended and I decided to download it quite a few months ago and I found it's amazing. If you have watched one of my videos from like 6 months ago, it's not going to pop up on my YouTube app, so it actually pops up on here and it tells me if you comment on anything from 6 months ago, 2 months ago, it pops up on here and it tells me. So if I go to my comments, you'll see all of my comments here that you've left me and I can literally respond to them directly, which is amazing. Next is influencer apps, which is just brands that I'm reaching out to at the moment and I'm currently wanting to work with. iMovie, I don't usually edit on my phone. Sometimes I do if my camera's not available, if I'm out and about, but I usually edit on from my camera to my laptop on Final Cut Pro. Then I've just got some thumbnail makers. Now I don't use these two. So for the photo editing side, the photo editing apps I use, guys, is PicMonkey. This app is very highly recommended from other YouTubers, I've noticed. So what you do is you'll just put a picture on there. So say if we just do this one, which is my recent video, and then what you can do is just press edit, and then you can adjust the brightness, the contrast, all sorts of things. So you just adjust it like that. You can adjust the clarity of the photo a little bit. You can do that. You can sort the temperature out. Also, another great thing is you can actually change the effects, like if you was on Instagram kind of thing. So you can change the effects. They've got loads of free effects on here, which you can also add. So what you can do on here, guys, is you can either add a sticker from your photo album. So if you want to do a what's on my iPhone, you could make the phone there and you could put it there and have everything on there. Or what you can do is they actually offer you some stickers as well. So if you go to stickers and then you go to down here, not that one, to here, you can actually pop some stickers in. So if you want a speech bubble to say something, you can put that there, and it's just great. It's really easy to use. The next app I use would have to be Pocket Video, and this is a really good editing app. I think I've showed you before in some videos, but basically you can really do quite a lot of things with this. So this is an example that I've made to show you in another video that I've done. Is I've sped the video up, I've also put a squiggle effect, and I've said to subscribe, and I've got the YouTube thumbnail watermark up there as well. So you can do some amazing things on there. If you want a proper review on that, let me know, I can definitely do that. Then the next one I use, I have got quite a few on here, but I don't use them all, but I'm going to show you the ones that I use all the time. The next one I use is PixArt. I love PixArt. I've only just recently got this, and I think this is great. So say if we want a picture, so let's just take this one here. You get quite a few adverts though. So go to tools, and you can enhance the picture so it's nice and bright. You can also brighten it, you can stretch it, you can crop it. These are all like your normal basic editing tools. You can also add FX effects, which is like what you get on Instagram, so you can have some nice effects on there. Also you can add stickers. So what you do is you'll just search on here anything. So if you just put emoji, just search emoji, it actually brings up all the emojis. So whatever video or thumbnail you're wanting to create, if you're creating a video about unicorns, for your thumbnail you can add a unicorn on there, and it's already got the transparent background. You don't have to go on Google and find it. So you can literally twist this about, you can have that there, you can add another one, you could have like, let's have a look, a heart. It really is a really good app. And then if you want them, for instance, then you can add some text. So just put like this, and then you can literally change the colour of it, so you can have all different colours, whatever you want. And then what you can do as well is change the font. So for the font you can have like a nice any of these fonts really. So this is amazing for making thumbnails, and this is what I use to make my thumbnails. The next thing is my social. If you're not following me, guys, on Twitter, make sure you follow me. My Twitter name is @MelissaJane95X. So it's @MelissaJane95X, and I post all the time on here. So yes. Next is my Snapchat. If you're not following my Snapchat, guys, go and follow my Snapchat. It's MelissaJane-XO. All of my social media accounts are linked down below in the description box, so definitely go and check them out. I'm very active on Snapchat. Also on Instagram, My name is MelJane95 and I'm definitely active on there as well. Facebook I don't use, and these are just other things. Now as well, go and check my blog out, guys. It's itsmelissajane.com and I post quite regularly on my blog, and I'm also looking to kind of spruce it up a little bit and get some new ideas around it. So if you want, just put your name and email and subscribe, and you will see when I put some new blog posts up. And yeah, definitely go and check that out. Next app I'm going to jump onto is the Planoly app. So this app is actually really organising. So this is a way for you to organise your Instagram pictures. So if you want to put an Instagram post up at 9 o'clock but you're busy or something, you can actually schedule on this app when to put it up, and it will instantly put it up at 9 o'clock. It will ask for your approval first and then you can pop it up. So it's really good. It also tells you when the best time is to post Instagram pictures to kind of catch your viewers at the right times and things, and like the busiest peaks. So definitely go and get that app. It's really good if you want to grow your Instagram. The next app is that I'm going to jump to would have to be WordPress, which is what I use for my blog, and Tumblr, which I get quite a few ideas from, Pinterest. If you guys have started a YouTube channel, I have found a really good thing on Pinterest which allows you to actually read how other people have grown their channel. So definitely download Pinterest if you haven't already. And the next app is my weakness, Wish. This app is amazing. You can get things on there, clothes, home decor, pets, toys, everything, and it's so cheap, but it does take quite a while to be delivered. But definitely go and check that app out, guys. It's amazing. And the next one is just my therapy app, which I actually just get my pill reminders for, and calendars, so I'm a little bit more organised. So yeah, that is basically it. That is what is on my phone at the moment. Screen picture is just from Pinterest, and it just says set goals, say prayers, work hard, and it's just like a motivation picture. So if you want to, I can definitely put a screenshot of that down below as well, or just Snapchat me and I will definitely send you that picture for your phone. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.